Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we had a client come in. He had his bike done by another shop, a fellow Cicada dealer. The install came out really good, and he just didn't feel like he got the sound that the tech had promised him that he would get. The bike was loud, but he felt it was missing something. A friend of his, which happens to be a mutual client of ours, listened to the bike and said, man, you got to go see the guys at NVS Audio. I've seen what they could do with the same exact equipment, and it's there, but it's just not there. So he took the ride down. We spoke. He left it in my hands. We were able to maximize what he had. The previous shop did not install a DSP, so the first thing we did was add a DSP. He had plenty of power. He was running a Cicada 1000 watt BDA amplifier, CHs in the fairing, and CHs in the lids. So I told him in order to get the sound that I think he needs, we would have to swap out the rear speakers, go with something that gives him a little more mid-bass, and then he also wanted to go ahead and do 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the bag and a second amplifier in the tour pack. So I gave him a quote. It was a little outside of his budget. So I reached out to Forrest at Cicada. I said, hey, could you do me a favor? I said, I don't think he should have been sold CHs for the lid. I think a different 6-mind would work better for him. I was like, if you guys could do me the favor and swap them out for him, that way he doesn't have to pay the additional cost, and then we could use that money to upgrade the battery. Forrest said, Carlos, do whatever you think is right to make the client happy, and then they shipped me the product. Customer was ecstatic. He didn't have to pay for new 6-minds. The Cicada took care of that for him, and we used that money to upgrade the battery to a sodium. Bike came out sounding amazing. He loves the way it sounds. He was super excited. We're proud of the way the bike sounds. That's one of the huge reasons I'm a dealer for Cicada Audio, is they always want to take care of the client. They allow me to do whatever I feel is right within reason to make a happy client and deliver a good product and make sure that the integrity of the brand remains intact. Thank you for the guys over at Cicada. Thank you for always taking care of me. Thank you, Forrest. And check out the build.
I got 612s, 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 I got.
Put it up top. Yeah.
Light that reflects in the mirror, showing the essence of who I am, made from pure perfection. I'm connected to the one, therefore I am. Ooh, one to rise above all the ugliness, evolve into a world of selflessness. I can see love and no love can be higher than this. What can be higher than this? What can be higher than this?
I ride down the streets, you can hear me in your den. Say the niggas balls when I put it past 10. G shit, I ain't even got a rap. I like to play the songs with a lot of slap on. The amp turned up so it sound like this. My girl asked me why I like it loud like this. I got to buy knives, start the bag and not it. You never seen a nigga with the power like this. I ride by the club and everybody get this. The hoes get the shooting, all the niggas get the booting. Don't nobody try me, know I'm quick to get the shooting. I'm known around town, a girly nigga with the music. And I'm doing all good and the cake not bad. I ain't lying if I tried, I can break my glass. The police pull me over and they raid my cash. Man, they be wishing they could take my ass. I got 612, I got 612, I got 612, I got 612, I got 612.
It was right, even though it felt wrong. Nothing ever stopped you from showing your progression. Solid, broken love, driving backwards, making all the wrong turns, saying all the wrong words, dodging angels. Oh.